How to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can launch a Ticketmaster application, or if you have not installed in your device, fear not, you can do this process easily through your Ticketmaster website. Just make sure you sign in into your Ticketmaster account. Once you are in here, you need to click on My Events to check out every ticket that you have purchased so far. Now, since you want to sell the ticket that you purchased, you need to click on the Sell button, which is available at the bottom. After which, you can tap on Sell Your Tickets. If not, you can even directly click on the Sell icon, which is at the bottom of your dashboard, then tap on Sell Your Tickets. Now, before you sell your ticket, you will have to fill out some of the field, such as firstly, select the ticket, then set the sale price, and list it out for the selling. Once it has been sold out, you can enter your bank details, country code, currency, and some of your details in order to sell your tickets. And that has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.